everyone, I'm Hisham Makan. You are watching English with HM. On our last video, you learned about simple present tense. Maybe you have a clear idea about simple present tense. Now, you are going to learn about simple past tense. First of all, let's learn about the timeline for simple past tense. This is timeline, past tense, future, now. It means the moment of speaking. You saw the timeline. Past, future, now. We can see past tense here. The actions already happened in the past. So in simple past tense, we are going to use the activities, the actions or event completed in the past. Now let's see the structure for simple past tense. We have a unique structure for all 12 tenses. Subject, verb, object. We already learned about this structure in our simple present tense video. Now we have to use the same structure for simple past as well. Here we are going to change the verb. Subject, past form of the verb and object. This is the structure for simple past tense. Let's see the usage of simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to express ideas about an action or an event which ended in the past. This is the usage for simple past tense. We used the past form of the stem verb as the verb. So, we have to use that verb to make past sentences. For example, I'll give you some past sentences. I played cricket. She made a cake. We worked hard for the exam. He ran fast. Now you can see there are 4 verbs: played, made, ran and worked. There are 4 verbs, but they are different because there are 2 regular verbs and 2 irregular verbs. Now let's see what is regular verb, what is irregular verb. Now I have given you a list of regular verbs. You can see the last letters of those regular verbs. All the verbs ended in ed. For example, work, worked, look, looked, pull, pulled, push, pushed. Now let's see about irregular verbs. They are very different. See, saw. Come, came. Go, went. You can see the difference between regular verbs and irregular verbs. So we have to learn these verbs. Then only we can make sentences without any grammar mistakes. If you make a mistake on this, then it is considered as a grammar mistake. Well, that's all from this video. Let's meet you again in our next video. Please subscribe our channel and click the like button. See you.